Hi, this is Shark Attack Radio Show starring Tiger Shark. That's me, okay? It's all about me right now. And the Lost King, who I'm calling Kingston because the Lost King sounds so weird. Like if you say, how are you doing, the Lost King? I mean, I guess if it was Lost King, I guess that would be okay, but I'm still calling it Kingston because it's funny. And it's the capital of Jamaica. Anyway, you want to hear the Destroyer play my pink sparkly electric guitar?
Yeah, this is funny.
I just wanted to add something, just to be fun. This is pink and sparkly, okay? Apparently he knows how to play a guitar.
Wait,
No kidding. This is the Lost King trying to play it. I need to take lessons from someone. Anyway, so, how are you doing today? I caught a frog, and it peed in my hand. So I put it down.
Keep telling everyone about that.
But I will. Wow, what is that? What is that noise?
What's hard?
Turn that off. Turn that amplifier off. Giant pink amplifier.
Okay, fine.
It's pastel pink. It's not the creepy bright pink. By the way, coral pink and pastel pink is better than hot ultra girly pink. I am against that stuff. No, off.
Want to hear me?
No. Just talk about your running blah blah. Isn't that what you wanted me to do this for?
Yeah, I guess.
I'm gonna go take a shower.
No! Get back here! Literally.
I'm gonna go eat something.
Tiger shark. Tiger shark! So, as you know, me and the Shore have met up and we tried the admin only minigame.
Speak of what you said, because in the post you said nothing about what you really talked about and what went on or anything. You need to
I
post
didn't make the post. Destroyer did.
I did it. I can't be expected to do anything here. Tiger Shark out. Tiger Shark quits.
Get back!
No.
Tiger shark.
Yeah.
Tiger shark.
Climbing down the secret ladder.
Tiger shark!
There is a secret ladder.
Tiger shark!
Don't leave your friends.
Tiger shark!
Don't leave your friends, Kingston. He's dragging me away from the secret ladder. There is one that leads down to my stardom room. I'm not sure what it's really called. Kingston. No, I'm gonna call you King Boy. No, that sounds stupid. I'll think of something. I'll think of something.
Tiger shark!
This is probably gonna be blasting because the input volume from this voiceover is at 73%. So this is blasting your ears off right now! Oh, this will blast your ears off, alright? My awesome guitar.
Stop! Oh, you should have had it. Oh, you should have had your volume on 1%.
Alright, you're losing time here, so talk about your running blah blah.
Alright, so
This is my jingle. Go.
okay.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Okay, so I'm just gonna stay. We'll be
I'm gonna stay when we
tournament,
what?
and you have 23 people there at
What
least.
did you just say?
And we will be.
Your speaking is illegible. Is that possible?
I'm pretty sure it's done in a minute. We'll be done in 1 minute, so let's stop. Yeah. No, we're not doing that. Really not. Really not, Tiger Shark.
40 seconds. 39 seconds. 38 seconds. 37.
Stop talking. She's covering her mouth. So basically the point of this radio show is just to watch us embarrass ourselves.
Okay. 15 seconds. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
Bye!